Can I, like... Can I sneak up? Wrong button! Wrong button! Whoopsie daisies! Welp! Change of plans! Am I gonna die? Possibly. Hey, Grim. You brought a literal knife to a gunfight. I feel like I'm supposed to be like grappling something, but I don't even know what the... Okay. Okay. But, okay. Whoa. 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 Whoa, let's take it easy. Okay, I need to get a skedaddle on, like, immediately and figure out where to go. Where? Can we? Thank you. Now, am I back here again? Okay, how about we just climb the ladder? Huh? Maybe we could just climb the ladder? Go a different route? No, led me to the same bullshit. Where do I go, bro? Am I being dumb?